Hi folks! Welcome to GishmanTours' first campground review. This weekend we are at Clinton Lake in Lawrence, Kansas. So we are backed up to some woods. Lots of old hedge trees, which I'll show you. These old hedge trees are just, I don't know. They're haunted looking. Check them out. Hedge grows naturally in the Midwest, and it's one of the hardest woods that you'll find. It's also yellow. If I can find an old piece that's cut down, you'll be able to see. So I came out here because I wanted to give a little tip. Lessons learned. So we pulled in last night and I was setting up and I was racing the rain, which showed up about 8 o'clock. So I have this brand new surge protector and I thought, it's going to rain. That thing's not protected. So I found some plastic to wrap it up in. And in all my excitement, once I got it all wrapped up, I went inside, and a little bit later, Debbie says, "Hey, the TV won't come on." And check the fuses, nothing. A little bit later, she says, "The microwave won't come on." So I checked the fuses for the microwave and the circuit breakers. Long story short, I was so enthralled with getting this surge protector wrapped up and prepped for the rain I forgot to throw the circuit breakers in the pole. So I came out through the circuit breakers and everything started working. Lessons learned. GishmanTours, tip number 1. Give you an idea kind of where we're at. We are 50 miles west of Kansas City, a little bit south from I-70, Lawrence, Kansas, home of the Kansas University Jayhawks. You might be in town. They got a basketball team, I think. I think there's a medical school there. You may have heard of them. This campground's on the south side of Clinton Lake, which is out on the southwest side of Lawrence. Definitely check it out. You're probably 15 miles from the town of Lawrence and the campus of KU. There's so much room out here and so much space. We are just really enjoying ourselves. The Corps of Engineers project, known as Clinton Lake, began in 1977. Bloomington Park has over 380 campsites. In 2018, this entire area was underwater. If you look close, you can see watermarks on trees as we walk down the road here. The water lines are real prevalent on these trees. You can see this one in the back probably has 4 feet, and the one in front of it probably about 3 feet. All these pads and campsites are brand new since the flood. They've done a great job rebuilding this area. Clinton Dam is a flood control structure that protects 156 square miles of the Wakarusa Valley. And the lake provides the water supply for the city of Lawrence. There are beaches here, boat and jet ski rentals at the marina. There's a golf course below the dam and a radio-controlled airstrip. The windy summer days bring out the sailboat club, and you're also likely to see windsurfers. There's an awesome new playground for the kids. Now we have hedge trees back here, and we have locust trees. For those of you who don't know what a locust tree is and what they're famous for, I'm going to give you a close-up. Going up in the Midwest, you see these all the time. But these thorns are famous, especially with tire repair shops. Because yes, they have been known to go through car tires and truck tires. And something else that is pretty consistent all the way through the campground is the distance between the sites. I mean, they could have put twice as many pads in here, but they didn't. And here we are, home again from our little walk. Thanks for joining us for this campground tour. And until next time, we hope to see you on the road.